Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys so you can check which theme is used on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and online store. And lastly, here you're going to find your apps. So right now, go ahead and click on online store. And then here under it, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and lastly, preferences. So make sure you're on the themes section. And after that, right here in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the theme that you are using. So right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find right next to current theme, the name of the theme that you are using. As you can see, guys, in the moment, I'm right now using the down theme. If you want to customize it, you can customize it from here. And here you can find some additional options like the option to preview the theme. You can rename it, duplicate it, download the theme file, edit the code, and also edit the default theme content. If you want to change your theme, you can scroll down right here and then you're going to find some popular free themes. Just pick the theme that you want and then click on try theme. If you want to see the themes store, just scroll down to the bottom and then here you're going to find the option to visit the theme store. As you can see, guys, right here you're going to find a lot of choices. You can also filter the list. For example, I want to only say see the free themes. You can see them from here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.